So this is 95 beats per minute. We're going to play the 8 notes. Let me lower that a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So what we're going to do is going to play the 8 notes, and we're going to count a 4-bar, phrase. So it's building another multitasking level into this assignment, because now we're reading the sticking pattern, but we're also counting multiple measures at the same time. And if you can work in the breathing exercise that we've been doing with just playing regular 8 notes, that's going to be icing on the cake. I'm going to demonstrate it as such, only because that's the more comfortable way for me to do it now. But if you can't do that right away, don't worry about it, because it could take a little bit to get that. So here we go. Number 1, we're just going to repeat each one, and that gets us to the 4-measure cycle, and then keep going down the column and end after number 12. Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready and play. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and number 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and next one. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3. Number 5. 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2. Number 6. 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So for the most part, I did it well. I looked up a couple times and I lost the sticking pattern.
Yeah, I did that one time too on the paradiddles. I did the same thing.
But the breathing, and again, we're not looking for perfection. We're just looking for, can we get through the whole exercise together, right? And that's it. So we're going to stop the video there. And it'll be a fun little